Okay, in this video, we're going to install Laravel Livewire. So for that, let's go to here, the URL. Make sure it's livewire.laravel.com. That's what the new Livewire domain is. So click enter. Here we're gonna go to the new amazing Livewire version 3. It's gonna help us create powerful dynamic frontend without leaving PHP. So we can just click start here. All right, we already have Laravel 10 installed and we have PHP 8.1 and later installed. So to install Livewire in our project, we're gonna copy this command, composer require livewire. So in here, we can just close this, pull up our terminal. Let's open a new terminal environment, paste this command, composer require livewire. Click enter. Alright, awesome. After Livewire is installed, we're now gonna have to publish our configuration file. So we can go back to our website and then in here, let's go on installation on the left side here. So after we've installed, we can now copy this publish command. Here, paste it, click enter. This will publish our configuration file because with a new Livewire, like for me coming from version 2, I have to do a few configurations. So here go to config Livewire. In here, we're going to change a path for our layout. Here it says components layout.app, but for us we just want to use our layouts.app, not the one found in components, like that. Alright, awesome. So after we've done that, we can close this. One last thing before we close, we're going to install a package, an npm package, which is going to help us hot reload our Livewire components when we change our code, so we can preserve the state and the content of our page. So to do that, go back to our website. In here, we're gonna follow a blog post by Christoph Rampel. He outlined it very well. I'll add the link in the description, or you can just go to a Google search and type Livewire hot refresh, and hopefully this will bring the website on the first search result. So this one, Christoph Rampel. Click on how to refresh Livewire components. In here, we can go straight to the setup and copy this npm command. After copying the command, let's go back to our code. In here, let's open a terminal. Open a new terminal environment, and then here, paste the code. Click enter and install it. Alright. After the installation is done, we now have to do one more thing. Go back to the website. In here, we have to edit our vite config. So we're just going to, copy this line here. Go to our vite. And in here, we can paste it there. Go back and then also copy this one here with Livewire. Paste it after the comma for Laravel. Here, make sure it's false. We don't want to refresh. We don't want Laravel to refresh. We want to use this one to refresh our Livewire components. Okay. One last thing, we have to add this to our resources.js. So copy this and then let's go to our resources.js app.js. Let's put this just right above the bootstrap. Awesome. Now this is going to import the hot reload JavaScript files. Last thing, here we are already running npm run dev, so we can just close this and then run npm run dev again. Alrighty, awesome. Now we can go ahead and verify this installation by going back to our website. In here, open inspect so we can check the console. Alright, here if we refresh, it won't show because this welcome page does not import Livewire. So we can go to the dashboard, which uses the app layout. In here, you can see that we have Vite hot reload enabled down here. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.